Good morning students, welcome to Mount Litera Z School. In this video we are going to discuss about internet basics. Up till now what you have discussed in this chapter: network, World Wide Web, internet and World Wide Web, server and web server, URL, domain name, website and web portal, web pages, browser, protocol, HTML, TCP, IP, HTTPS, all this we have discussed up till now. So in this video we are going to discuss about blog, different types of blog, steps to create blog, as well as we will discuss about news groups also. Okay, now what is blog? Blog, it is a frequently updated online personal journal or diary. It is an easy to create website which consists of a signed and dated log of individual posting. The word blog comes from weblog because a blog consists of a signed and dated log of individual posting. The topic of the blog can be anything from personal to professional. Who is blogger? Okay, author of blog is called blogger. Blogging. The act of writing a blog is called blogging. Types of blog. Microblogging. This is another category of blog that comprise of short entries or updates about the routine task of an individual or a company. It is mainly used to keep friends, colleagues and customers updated as the entries become a running commentary about one's life and interest. Twitter is the best example of microblogging, where one can post 280 characters long messages called tweets at a time. Next category is news and views blog. This type of blog is normally used by the journalist to post factual stories and views about the latest events. Political blog. The active members of this category are the political parties or members of parliament who use blogging to remain connected with their constituencies. Then non-profit blog. This category incorporates the non-profit organizations which use blogging to create awareness and raise money of their cause. Company blog. It is used by professionals or companies to let their customers or clients know about upcoming products and progress being made on some project. Personal blog. This is the most common and popular type of blog. It is a journal or diary that is on the internet. Personal blog encompasses a personal view on any chosen subject like health, politics, travel, etc. Now, what are the advantages of creating blog? Enables you to open down your thoughts on anything that interests you. There is no time constraints in blogging. You are your own boss. No office setup is required. You can work from anywhere. All you need is your computer and an internet connection to post your blog. One does not require technical knowledge and is quick to add and update new posts. Comments from people can prove to be motivational for you. Provides collaborative learning environment. Students are being encouraged to become author and improve their writing and reading skills. Okay, all these are the advantages of creating blog. There are some disadvantages also. Recognition of your talent can be slow process and initially the traffic can be quite low for your blog. So your approach should be optimistic. Okay, so if you create a blog and you just think that in a night or in a day you will be popular, so it is not like that. It is a slow process. While writing, you need to be thoughtful and unbiased. Otherwise, it may have negative impact on the readers. People can sometimes prove to be rude in their comments, which may disappoint you. You need to be very active and disciplined as a blogger so that people do not lose interest. So it is like you have to be dedicated in your work. Means one day you are posting and then for months you are not posting anything. So you will lose interest of readers. Blogs, especially personal blogs, are not considered to be reliable. How to create blog? Blog in four steps. Go to blogger.com and create an account. Create a Google account. name your blog, choose a template, and you're done. Okay, I think how to create blog and all we have discussed in 8th standard also. Some facts about blog. Justin Hall, a US freelancer journalist, is said to be the first blogger. In 1994. While still in college, he managed to publish his first blog. WordPress and Blogpost are two most popular blogging platforms. More than 40% of bloggers use WordPress. Okay, you may heard about this. In 1999, there were just 23 blogs. Today, there are over 1.5 billion blogs on the internet. Okay, I'm talking about this particular date, but now till today's date, there may be more than this. More than 60% of blogs are in English. Other prominent languages include Spanish, Portuguese, and Indonesian. Over half of the blogging community has more than one blog. Professional bloggers have 4 blogs on an average. Only about 27% of bloggers are full time into it. Okay, that means it is a part time interest or part time earning. Only 27% bloggers are full time into it. 1 in every 5 bloggers updates his or her blog daily. Bloggers use social media to promote their blogs. A blogger on an average use 5 social media sites, not only one. A blog post is powerful enough to influence a purchase. Business that blog get more visitors to their websites. Earning from a blog is not something that happens overnight. It takes a sound strategy along with a high dose of perseverance. About one-fifth of bloggers have been into it for more than 6 long years. Less than 10% of bloggers earn enough to support their family. More than 80% never ever make it to even $100. News groups. Okay, next category is news group. It is an online discussion forum where remotely connected users share and discuss a particular topic. The user subscribers can exchange text messages, images, videos, and other digital media. People from different locations post articles here, which all the other subscribers of the news groups can read and respond to. The collection of these messages and response on the one topic or question form a thread which is displayed in chronological order by date or posting. The newsreader software is used to read and post messages. The newsreader is a program that runs on your computer and connects you to a news server on the internet. Example reddit.com, giganews.com, fastusenet.org and many more. Okay, how to use a news group. Okay, Quora is also one of them. You can continue with your Google account, you can continue with your Facebook account, or you can create a new account in any news group. You can select the language options also. Then if you register and if you log in, you will get into this page. See, I registered to this, so here my name is written as registered user and I can ask any question. What is your question? Or link. So I can ask the question here. I can read the answer of others also on the same topic. Okay, or I can give answer to others question also. So the news group page will look like this if you are a registered user. Then you can select the category also on which you want the news updates, or if you want to ask questions or that, so you can select the category also. You can follow others category also. Okay, so here it will look like this. Answer. If you ask any question, then you will get the answer and responses from other users. Okay, see here. You can ask questions, start your question with what, how, why. So given guideline also. You can share link also. Okay, you can specify what type of view you want for your question, public, anonymous, limited. Okay, so we have discussed many things about internet services. Okay, so in here we are ending our chapter. In next chapter we will learn about different internet services, not only this blog and news groups, but many other services are provided by internet, so that also we'll discuss. Okay, if you like my videos, Please subscribe to my channel. Okay, till then, please go through all the videos on Internet Basic. Goodbye, take care, and thank you.